I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti.
And this is Kaka CFM, the sound of the city, the afternoon show of Monday to Friday, 3 to 6.
It was just our triple play from Acewood Bugatti, DJ Bong Suvalo, Kerry Hilson Energy.
You know, I realized something today. Yeah, it's handy in dub. Not like CNN. Yes, I realized that today. I went to the bank, right? So there I am standing in the line waiting to do some stuff, and then mama, like this old woman who was in the front of the queue. She goes to the teller and she's like, "Yeah, no, yesterday I came here, I drew out money, you put it into this thing for me, I took it home, I put it in the safe. Today I open up the safe, there's only 3,000 rand. The guy's like, how much money are we supposed to get? She's like, no, 13,000 rand. So I was short 10,000. Because when it was my turn to be served, they had taken her to another room where she's going to go view the camera, you know, to see like what happened. Because obviously the tellers take the money, put it into the machine to count it up, and then give it to you. But in her case, it was in a little duffel bag kind of thing. So she's basically saying that she got robbed 10,000 rand. She only went home with 13. And then I overheard some people in the bank saying, yeah, but the thing is that there's no ways that he could be liable for it because too much has happened since the transaction was made.
You know,
in terms of and she's an old woman. I feel so bad for her. Like, you know, one of these old white women who has a wig on. And I felt so sorry for her because I thought, you know, if it is a mistake, it's just so sad.
It is, isn't it? 10 grand.
10 grand, bruh.
That's a lot of money.
That's a lot of money.
You know?
So I'm going back to the bank tomorrow.
You're gonna go back to.
No. I have to go do something in the bank. So I was.
While you're there.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask.
Gonna ask around.
Yes, I'm gonna ask.
In fact,
I mean, everybody that's listening right now wants to know how it's gonna end.
Please do. Yes. For the sake of the family, please do. Because I'd like to hear the end of it.
I'm this close to phoning the bank to find out how it ended.
Seriously, yeah, I want to know too. Please go back.
So that's how I discovered the gates I did.